This video is another video in a series for a 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser with a 3-speed manual transmission. The transmission has already been mounted inside the car. It was relatively easy since it was balanced over a floor jack, but this transfer case being awkward and out of balance proved a little more difficult. It tried to fall off the jack twice, so I decided to make these brackets and mount it on a piece of wood. And so far it seems to be very, very sturdy. These are lag bolts. This is a 2-inch offset bracket, and then this bracket goes up and mounts there and keeps the angle. And it's pretty close to being straight up level as I wanted it. On the jack itself, I machined a round dowel, a round steel post to go in the wood, and then the other end goes into the jack. So I already checked the wood fit on that, and it's really snug. So when I set this on this jack, it should be pretty steady. So we're about to set it on the jack and install this thing. Thanks for watching. This video shows the floor jack with the transfer case above it and a special bracket, special brackets in a piece of wood that are holding the transfer case up. I will never put a transfer case or a transmission in again without doing this. This worked like a champ. There's a post in the jack. I made this post to fit down in the jack just right, and it fits in the 1 1/4 inch hole drilled in the wood, and it's drilled in such a way that if you can see it, there's the hole right there. So that hole is pretty much centered about the center of gravity of the transfer case, so it made it a breeze. It wobbled just enough to get things kind of lined up and centered on the transmission output shaft there to slide this transfer case on. So worked great. And I didn't do that with the transmission. With the transmission, I just had it bouncing on top of this cup here that was on the jack, which was a little bit wobbly. It worked okay, but next time I'll definitely be making a bracket and a wood mount for this, because it made it so much easier. So just thought I'd show how well that worked.